The DECOKTOOL 3500 PSI Pressure Washer is a robust cleaning machine that efficiently tackles various outdoor surfaces with its powerful 3,500 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute flow rate. This pressure washer is equipped with a 100-foot retractable hose, offering extended reach and convenient storage, making it ideal for larger cleaning tasks. With its 5-stage adjustable pressure settings, the DECOKTOOL pressure washer allows users to customize their cleaning power for different surfaces and tasks, ensuring optimal results. Included in the package is a complete cleaning kit featuring 4 high-quality spray nozzles and a rotating turbo nozzle, along with a 1,000 milliliter foam cannon for enhanced cleaning performance. Safety and reliability are prioritized with the inclusion of a total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the life of the machine. The wall-mounted design of this pressure washer not only saves space, but also provides easy access and operation, making it a practical choice for homeowners.